All right. Welcome back to our Igbo class. But today we are going to be looking at. I still remain your Igbo teacher. This is our great YouTube channel where we teach you Igbo language for those of you who wants to learn Igbo language. We do a lot of things in this YouTube channel, and in case you have not subscribed, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so that anytime I release a new video, you will surely be notified. Alright, so you are welcome. Today we are going to be looking at alumdi na nwunye in Igbo land. Alumdi na nwunye in Igbo land, that is marriage. Alumdi na nwunye means marriage in English. Alright, so as you know, everyone knows what marriage is all about, but we are going to lay emphasis on it in regards to Igbo people. Okay, so marriage is an important institution in Igbo land. So it's a very important institution in Igbo land. It is the coming together of a man and a woman in order to be one. That is, ijikọ nwoke na nwanyị ka ha bụrụ otu. Nwoke, ijikọ means to join. Nwoke means the male or the man. Nwanyị is the woman or the lady. So that they will come together and become one. Alright, so in Igbo land, man and woman engage in marriage contract. It is motivated by the woman's attitude and the character, and never her facial beauty or wealth. Yes. So in Igbo land, what matters, what a man consider or looking for when getting married is the woman's character, not her facial outlook, not her wealth, not her facial outlook. We look at the character. As long as Igbo culture is concerned, we look at the character of the lady. Okay, let's look at usoro alumdi na nwunye na ala Igbo, which is method of contracting marriage in Igbo land. Method in which we do contract marriage in Igbo land, or the steps we take in marriage activity in Igbo land. Now, number one is that in Igbo land, a marriage is not a one-man business. Therefore, the man who wants to get a wife for himself go with his parents, elders from his town, kinsmen, and relations to the house of the woman he wants to marry. So this is very, very important. It is very, very important in Igbo land and Igbo tradition. It's not a one-man business. Anyone that wants to marry in Igbo land must involve the parents, if the parents are still alive, and as well involve the elders. Alright. And the next one is that it is the duty of the man who wants to marry to go to the woman's father's house, pay and marry her, and not the other way around. So it is the man that goes to the woman's or the lady's father's house and pay the bride price. It's not the lady that will go and pay. It is the man that will go and pay. All right. The next one is the Igbo people use kola nut, money, palm wine, and other items to pay bride price. In Igbo land, we make use of kola nut, money, palm wine, and other items depending on the state or the community. Still depends on the community, their culture, or the family, their culture. As well, we are all Igbo people, but communities, states have their different indigenous way of life, although they are related anyway. All right. So the next one is that the bride's parents do not accept their daughter's bride price alone. They invite their kinsmen, relations, and friends to take part in it. So the parents of the daughter or of the lady do not take the bride price alone. They invite their relative for them to see what is happening. All right. So moving further, we look at uru na ọghọm dị na alụmdi na nwunye. We say that everything has disadvantage and advantage. So we'll be looking at uru na ọghọm dị na alụmdi na nwunye, which is advantages and disadvantages of marriage in Igbo land. But first of all, let's look at uru dị na alụmdi na nwunye. That is the advantages of marriage in Igbo land. Number one is that alụmdi na nwunye na-eme ka enwee ezi na ụlọ ọhụụ. So it helps to set up a new home or family. The next one is that ọ na-amụbawanye ọnụọgụ mmadụ. It increases the population rate of people in Igbo land. And the next one is that ọ na-egosi na mmadụ etozuola oke na mmadụ. That is, it shows that one is matured and fully grown. The next one is that alụmdi na nwunye na-enye aka gbochie mmehie ịkwa iko. Yes, marriage helps to prevent the sin of fornication. Yes, because when the man and the woman marries, they can do anything they want to do with each other. So there will be no room for fornication. But if any of them go outside their marriage and commit the sin of fornication, that is a crime in Igbo land. That's why we value marriage so much. Okay? A na-esite na alụmdi na nwunye enweta ọmụmụ na ọganihu. So children and prosperity are gotten through marriage. There is a man, he may not be rich or wealthy, but when he marries, that woman that he married may bring him favor. The other way around, there is a lady, their family, or she may not be wealthy, but when she marries to a kind of man, because of that marriage, she becomes wealthy. Favor, prosperity. Children will be coming forth. All right? The next one is that ọ na-agbanwe ọgọ mmadụ. It changes one's status. Yes. It changes your status. Once you are married, be it a man or a woman, your status increase. Your status increase. Now let's look at the ọghọm dị n'alụmdi na nwunye. That is disadvantages of marriage. Disadvantages of marriage. Yes, we said that anything that has advantage has disadvantage. Okay, number one is that ọ na-ewe nnukwu ego. It takes a lot of money. Yes, it takes money. The next one is ọ bụrụ na ajụọ ese n'aka onye ya na ezinụlọ nọ n'iro, ọ gaghị akọ akụkọ ọma banyere ya. O nwere ike mee ka alụmdi na nwunye ghara ịga n'ihu. If somebody who is in enemy with a family is asked about one's family, he or she will not say anything good about it. It can prevent the marriage from holding. That is the thing. That's one of the disadvantages. And the next one is that ọ na-abawanye mkpa na ọrụ dịịrị mmadụ tụmadụ n'ilekọta ndị ọgọ na ikwu na ibe anya. It increases the need and responsibilities of one by taking care of one's in-laws and relations. Very important. Alright, so we have the last one there. So the next one says, I will read it in English alone. One can contact HIV and AIDS or any other diseases from it. That is, when one of them is infected. When they are not faithful to each other, pursuing another man or another lady, they can contract HIV and AIDS. Okay, so this is where we'll stop for today. Please subscribe to this channel. In our next class, we are going to talk about the next one, the next topic in Igbo language. Please do well to subscribe to the channel. If you are an adult watching and you are interested in business or marketing, we still have other videos here. So do well to check up our videos. You see tons of over 200 videos, 260 something, 260 videos, more than here. So check. You must see something, a value that will help you. Apart from Igbo teaching, apart from education, we do business opportunities, marketing, and so many of them in this channel. So just take time to check out our channel. Go to playlist. You see a lot of topics there. Very important and powerful videos that will help you. Educational videos, business opportunity videos that will help you. Thank you very much for being part of us.